Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off or turn on tiling keypad tone in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, open dialer and type numbers on tiling keypad. While typing, there will be small tone. If you would like to turn off this tone, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is go to the settings of our phone first, then go to sounds and vibration, and here select tile keypad tones. Just to turn off this button so that you will not get any tile pad tones. Okay, hereafter we will not get tile pad tone. Go to the tiling interface, that is dialer, that is phone symbol, and type numbers there. There is no sound as of now. So in this way you can easily turn off tiling keypad tone in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. Okay, if you would like to turn on this tone, what you have to do is just go to the same settings and turn on this button. Keep it turned on so that you will get keypad tone. Okay, so in this way you can easily turn on or turn off tiling keypad tones in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.